My husband just went to an auction and bought me a $50 Target mystery box, and we are going to unbox it. I haven't even cut it open. I have not peeked, nothing. I'm scared. Hopefully it'll be stuff we can either use or sell. All right, guys, I am editing and I don't know what the heck happened to the audio, but my mic is being really weird. So it is gonna sound a little weird for the first couple minutes, but it does get better. So I apologize. I'm trying all I can to fix it, but it's like making weird clicky sounds. So I apologize, but it will get better, okay? My husband recently found an auction site, and apparently they have Target boxes and Amazon, and they said the Target ones are usually the better of the two. Okay, this looks like, it looks like school supplies. Okay. A backpack. So I'm almost positive these are only like $5, but hey, whatever. I could fill this bad boy up and donate some school supplies. Maybe there's some school supplies in here that I can use. So, okay, not bad. And I am going to try to keep like a running total. And at the end, I'll let you guys know if the box was worth more than 50 or we'll see. Ooh, art maker. It's one of those creative, oh my gosh, I am probably going to keep this. It's one of those cool coloring books. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? I think this is a lunchbox. Are you a lunchbox? This is so cute. Oh my gosh. One of my kids, they're going to fight over this. I just know it. It's a cute little lunchbox. Adorable. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. Paint your own wood hearts kit. Oh my gosh, my kids are going to freak out. This is so cute. So it has a couple brushes in here. It comes with paint and you can paint your own little hearts. French fries sidewalk chalk. That is so fun. Oh my gosh. Yeah, my kids, they're going to want to keep all this stuff. Forget selling it. They're just going to want to keep it all. A 4-pack of item locators. Compatible with Apple devices. Okay, now that seems like this might be like, I don't know. Are these cheap? I'm going to look it up. Okay, I don't know if these were discontinued or what, but I literally cannot find it on the website. I will keep looking and hopefully let you guys know, but this has to be like 10 to 20 bucks, I think. Bubbles, because who doesn't need bubbles? Oh my gosh. Squirt guns. 4 of them too. So one for each of my kiddos and my 4th kiddo, my husband. Oh, more bubbles. Okay, perfect. Each kid will get one. Okay, good. Okay, this thing is, the box is a little, oh my gosh, it feels dusty. The box is a little wrecked, but this is cute. It's a King Boo, just like little figures. That's kind of cute. We like Super Mario. I don't know what you do with this, so we'll probably sell this one. Oh, a 3-ring pool. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, we have a pool, but yeah, this will probably end up selling this, but this can't be cheap. This is really cute. I love that it's like a lot of summery stuff. What else we got? Bright room. What are you? A drawer organizer? What? Okay, I don't really know if this is just fits in your drawer, I think. Oh, that's kind of boring. Stop it right now. Stop. A Halloween witch mat. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, you guys are going to think I'm completely obnoxious. Okay, I love this. And it's almost spooky season. This is perfect. All right, we got 2 more things. Oh, what does this say? Thank you. Surprises await, and we hope you love the thrill. I have been loving it so far, Target. They're heavy. These are like really heavy. They're taper candle holders, and they're a really pretty blue. I love that. So like for the long candles, I actually have a bunch of long candles. I don't know, we might sell this one, but it's pretty cute. Last but not least, another little art. What is this? Stamp printed placemats kit. Okay, that's fun. I've never seen anything like this before. That's so cute. Oh, my girls are gonna love this. Okay, well, this was so much fun. So I am going to go and add everything up, the cost, and I will be right back. Okay, so I had a hard time finding everything online because most of it, let's see, there was maybe 2 or 3 things that were on the actual Target website, so it was kind of hard to find prices. So I just kind of went through and saw like what other people were selling these stuff, like these items for, and it came out to be like $138 worth. I don't know. So I would say if you are wanting to buy these to resell, I don't know that that's the best idea. But if you want to do one and just to see what's in it and maybe use the stuff or give it away to friends, then I would say go for it. But yeah, I would definitely not use this method for like resale because I don't know that it was quite worth it, but it was a lot of fun. So I hope you guys had fun watching this, and let me know if you guys have tried one of these before, and did you like what you got? Was it good, bad? And let me know if you tried an Amazon one. All right, see you guys later.